Hello, GooTube community. This is VIP Nobody coming to you from the sunny back bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man. It's been a while since we saw the HP Z230 unboxing, and there's been some modifications. I have a different camera now. The camera that I had been filming this computer with, I dropped it. I broke it. All right, I'm sorry. So now I finally got another camera up and running and be able to film with, but I lost the footage. And well, we're going to try and do a few things with this. When I first got this machine, when I started it up, I had a red flashing and beeps, 5 beeps, and that ended up to be RAM. I was able to reseat the RAM and get it up and running, but I haven't been successful in putting any server RAM, ECC memory in here and getting it to operate or run. And City said that you could do it with a particular CPU, which I did end up purchasing and upgrading to, and I wasn't able to get it to run. I went to HP's website and looked it up and found that there didn't seem to be any requirements for just dropping in, plug and play, right? So, hey, I've got some HP RAM here, some 4 gigabyte HP RAM. Come on and focus there. Sorry about that, autofocus doesn't seem to want to pick that up at the, I've got 3 different sizes. There's HP 4 gig. There's an 8 gig stick, and there's a 16 gigabyte HP stick of RAM. And I don't know. We'll see what if we can't get some sort of a response out of it. This is a. I was getting it ready for gaming. This is a R9 390 8 gigabyte DDR5. It's a bit older, but it should be capable of running just about anything out there anymore. I've heard 8 gigabyte DDR5 being called mid-range now, for heaven's sakes. A lot of these guys online that are talking about, see if I got that slot right. Oh, no wonder. This is number 1 out here rather than closest to the CPU. And looking for that good satisfying click. Yeah. Greg Salazar had one of these HP Z230s that he turned into a gaming machine. And City, Linus, some guy in a garage. Yeah, that's the beep that I got. That's the 4 gigabyte HP in slot 1. I made a little modification. The bays, I took out the bays and stuck in an infinity mirror. I don't know if that's a thing anymore, the infinity mirrors, but I kind of like it. It looks nice. It's blue and it matches the power button. But let's go ahead and shut her down. I've also seen Low Castle. He has a 440. He was trying to use a NVMe SSD, and he wasn't able to get it to work. Of course, the BIOS didn't want to see it. Let's try this 4 in the second slot. Yeah, sometimes I heard somebody talking. Nope, still didn't. And maybe if it doesn't want to work in slot 1, you can put it in slot 2. You might need to train the machine or something like that. I don't know. Once again, slot 2 with the 4 gig HP, ECC memory, DDR3. Of course, it's not going to fit if it's DDR4 or DDR2 because it's got the notch and slot that works or doesn't work. Yep, slot 3. Same thing. Got slot 4. One-handed, folks, yes. Alright. Still nothing, huh? Like I said, I went to HP's website and read the page on this machine, and there was no indication whatsoever that you needed to do anything special to be able to get ECC RAM. It just said it works with both. So I assumed, probably wrongly, that it's plug and play. Here's the 8 gig stick of generic nondescript ECC. And once again, I tried the 4 gig in all 4 slots, and this is what we got. I can't remember whether Greg only put 16 or 32 gigs of ECC RAM in his machine. But with I've seen with a lot of machines that you can use more RAM if you use an ECC in a machine. Yeah, same thing with the 16 gigabyte strip. Well, that's that. And as you can see, ECC RAM does not want to work. It doesn't just plug and play, at least. Let me know in the comments if you know of some way to be able to get ECC RAM to be able to work in a HP Z230. ECC RAM comes in double and sometimes quadruple the amounts of RAM as regular desktop PC computer RAM. Desktop PC computer RAM for DDR3, the highest I've seen is 8 gigs. I mean, the machines can hold more than 8 gigs. I'm just saying that the manufacturers only make an 8 gig for the non-ECC. As being the largest. They got 2, 4, and 8. But I've seen 16 and 32 gig per stick for DDR3 and the ECC. Now the fan's ramping up. Wow. Oh well. This is VIP Nobody from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man.